Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan. I'm happy to have you. Also, I am sunburned in case you did not see my last video. I am filming these back to back, so if you're interested in this look, then I will try to remember to put it in the eye down below so that you can go see that if you haven't yet. But I was getting ready to, I was gonna go take a shower and I went to check mail and my Boxycharm came. So they don't have inserts anymore. They email the inserts and I haven't received mine yet. So I don't have a price list for things. So I'm just going to go through. There was the Boxyluxe this time around had, I want to say it had like a Tarte eyeshadow palette or something. Whatever like the big makeup thing was that they were showing was something that I already had. So that's why I didn't upgrade to Luxe. And yeah, that's that whole story. Okay, so the first thing that's in here is from Skin and Company Roma. This is Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel with notes of Sardinian, Myrto, lemongrass, and wild orange. It's from the Italian collection, made in Italy. Oh, it smells really good. It smells very citrusy. Like not, it smells more like orange peel and lemon peel than something you would want to eat, which is good because I don't really love it when my shower gel smells like something that I want to eat, because then I want to eat it. Alright, so item number 2 is Lasha Holic Luxury Lashes. These are in their real, I swear, except they're not. They're false lashes. Fairly natural. They have a pretty thick band on them, which I don't love, so we'll see. I'll try them out. I have been trying not to wear lashes lately, just because allergies and they bother my eyes. This is from Baddington. Oh, it's a brush set. It's a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. They're pretty. Very pretty gold brushes. Very soft. This domed shape, so this is round and like a longer dome. I love this shape. And I don't even, like, I don't know why I love this shape so much. Like, it's too big for under my eyes. But for using it for, like, contour is really nice. Or, like, using it for highlight even. They don't say which is which. I'm guessing this is supposed to be the powder brush. I probably would not use this as a powder brush just because of like how domed it is. This one I'm guessing is supposed to be the contour foundation brush. I would use this for foundation. It's a little smaller than I would normally use. Very soft. This one especially feels almost like rabbit fur, except synthetic. So if you're not new here, if you are new here, then now's when you find out. I am addicted to brushes. I have a stupid amount of brushes. So brushes get good use around here. All right, next item. Oh, so Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I am pretty sure that I ordered this in the add-ons. So I might just go ahead and open the add-ons in this video too. I was going to do a separate video, but yeah. I'm not going to open this just because I don't want to get bacteria in it, and I'm not going to use it yet because I'm still going through my Drunk Elephant stuff. But I've heard really good things about this. It says it has avocado, matcha, gently smoothing PHA, and encapsulated retinol, which is released throughout all hours of the night for skin recovery. So yeah, that's exciting. I will say that I do know that the cost of this would cover this box. So, and then the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. This I will probably end up giving away. Yeah, I actually have the old one still. So, this will go in a giveaway. And the last item that's in here, this is Grace and Stella. It says it's like an energy drink for your face. So I was wondering, because this box is like bigger than my head. And it's kind of heavy. So let's open it and see what is going on in here. Also, if you're wondering why I'm doing a Boxycharm unboxing right now, when I planned on last month being my last Boxycharm unboxing, it's because I forgot to cancel. What is going? These are huge. Okay, so this is not what I was expecting. These are all the same, it looks like. Okay, so these are like, these are giant. And you can see the serum in there, but it's like this, it's like, I don't know. I do appreciate it's really, really light, and this is very shiny. I doubt you'll be able to see it. But right here, it has manufactured date was 11/2019, and expiration date is 11/2022, and then it has the batch code. That is something that I wish more skincare brands would do. Even if they just put like, this is the manufactured date. Because even if you know, like, I haven't opened it, but if something, oh, that's weird. It like, oh, I think I just ripped it, but I was squishing sideways. So I was squishing it and then I ripped it, but it's squishy. But if you have skincare, even if you know that you haven't opened it, but you don't know how long it's been sitting in like the back of like a medicine cabinet or something, it would be good to know just like what the manufacture date was. And I know that there are usually batch numbers, but sometimes it can be really difficult to look that up. And especially after people started to really look stuff up a lot and like post about it online, it became a much bigger thing where companies stopped doing that. So anyway, this was an interesting box. Were there any makeup items in here? Like, there were the brushes and the lashes. Oh, there was I already put it with the stuff. There was the chocolate contour palette. So, yeah, kind of an interesting mix of things. Definitely a good, like, try out different things sort of box. Yeah. I'm happy with this box, especially after the last box was just so completely and utterly disappointing. So the first thing is indeed the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So I have 2 of those. So if I like them, that's cool. I wasn't expecting it to be in the box, so. And then I got the R&Co Analog Cleansing Foam Conditioner. Good for conditioning. So, it says for light, natural, and authentic hair. Authentic hair? Analog is the only step you need for weightless softening and conditioning. A classic go-to for frizz reduction, nourishment, and shine. Great for all hair types. Oh. This is not what I thought it was. So I thought that it was like a dry shampoo except with conditioning properties. It is not. It is actually just a shampoo and conditioner in one, basically. It just says work a small amount into wet hair, massage from roots to ends, and then rinse. I suppose I will try it. The bottle is very cooling, and I kind of want to just hold it against my sunburned face. Can't tell how sunburned I am now that I have makeup on, unless you look at my chest, I guess. So just don't look at my chest. And then I got the Hank & Henry Midori beauty sponges, partly because this color just speaks to me. Obviously, this is the color my hair was very recently. And then the last two items, this is NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade You're No Good. Just like a very corally pink shade. It looked more like an orangey red on the website, but that's fine. I will still get use out of it and love it and appreciate it. And I feel like it's going to be a lot closer to the other thing that I got than intended. So this is the Too Faced Melted Matte in Feelin' Myself. And this is almost just like a pastel version of the other. No, not really. So the top one is the Too Faced Melted Matte, and the bottom one is the NARS Power Matte. Both very different types of corally pinks. I've only ever tried one NARS. That's just sort of how it's worked out. So since they had it in there and they had it for sale, these add-on items are heavily discounted, which is why I purchased them, because it gives me the opportunity to either get products that I know I like for very inexpensive, or to try something that I'm not sure if I'm going to like it for very inexpensive. So yeah, I'm actually really digging those shades. I'm really digging those shades together. I might do an eye look with shades like that. This is also that NARS shade is deepening up a lot as it dries, more to the shade that I thought it was. So that's cool. All right, so that is everything that I got from Boxycharm for this month. I will leave a link to Boxycharm if you're interested in it down below. It is a monthly subscription box. They do have 3 tiers, but it is, for monthly, it is a regular box or a premium box, and then they do Boxy Luxe quarterly. And I do believe that you have to be one of the other, like you have to be subscribed monthly in order to do the quarterly. But if you do that, then quarterly you can get just the Boxy Luxe. You don't have to get the regular box plus the Boxy Luxe. It's all the information's on their website. So if it's something that you're interested in and you're not subscribed to them yet, then that'll be down below. And these masks are just an energy drink for my face, apparently. I don't. How is that? I'm gonna have to try one to understand, because it's so wide. Like, this is definitely like wider than my face. And I have a really tiny forehead, so the foreheads on masks always end up going like way up into my hairline also. Oh yeah, if you've never noticed, I have a very tiny forehead. Like, it doesn't, definitely it's not a forehead. It's like a 2.5 head. Okay, that's all. I hope that you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Be considerate to your neighbors. Make sure you're wearing a face mask. wear sunblock so that you don't end up looking like you have a lobster chest like I do. And I hope that you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. Bye.